Chocolate is better than lollipops. In fact, chocolate is in a whole different league. Now these days, people sell chocolate bars more than lollipops. Lollipops may come in bags of 90, but chocolate is healthier than lollipops and can be bought anywhere. If someone robs someone who makes lollipops, no one really cares. But if someone robs a chocolatier, it's kind of a big deal. People who make chocolate are rich and can sell it for millions. The highest price of chocolate from the best chocolatier is 1 pound for $1,000. Have you ever heard of a lollipop maker who sells a stick for $20? In fact, lollipops are so boring that a pacifier could keep someone who likes lollipops happy. Lollipop makers are also called just lollipop makers, but chocolate makers are called chocolatiers. Anyone can make lollipop masters. All they have to do is buy machines who make them. But if you want a chocolate masterpiece, you have to get your hands dirty and make it yourself. That's why you should choose chocolate instead of lollipops. Yeah!